3D printing is revolutionizing manufacturing and is bringing about opportunities to manufacture quickly, accurately, and cost-effectively. Companies such as Adidas, Reebok, and Nike have used 3D printing to take their shoes to the next level of design possibilities. 3D printing has changed what must be protected from people who would steal production processes and designs to create identical products to compete against the original product owner. With 3D printing, the process that needs to be protected now lies in digital files. These digital files are called CAD files. CAD files are regularly shared via email and other non-secure digital methods, thus leaving businesses vulnerable to intellectual property theft. AutoCAD and CAD Chain are examples of companies partnering to provide protection by using blockchain. The CAD Chain plugin works by creating a digital twin of the CAD file. A digital twin is an exact virtual copy of a CAD file. The CAD Chain plugin keeps a record of all the sends, opens, and other events related to the file, and each of these events is recorded on the blockchain to prevent theft and fraud. Thank you for watching the Blockchain Chamber of Commerce video on 3D printing and blockchain.